Hey there, Licknriffers! How are you doing? I hope you're having a great time this Valentine's Day, and I would like to show you my love as well. A celebration of our love for the guitar, our mutual love for the guitar, and I would like to extend a special invitation for you for this weekend only. I want to invite you to Guitar Freedom 360 for 60% off. Okay, just to make up for not being here this Black Friday to show you my love back then. I want to show you my love right now, and I want you to experience the updated new 2025 version of Guitar Freedom 360. I've completely overhauled and reworked the whole thing. The entire course. It's got 20 chapters on everything from fingerstyle to soloing to improvisation to composition to chords, basic to super advanced, to all sorts of neat tricks like waterfall harmonics and tapping. And we also have slide guitar. We have open tunings. We have heavy metal. Now, it doesn't even matter what guitar you play because Guitar Freedom 360 covers all of them. Acoustic, electric, classical, baritone, 12-string, resonators, everything. Okay, I mentioned slide guitar before. You get the whole total guitar package. You have the entire world of guitar in one place, methodically, step by step, video by video, chapter by chapter, level by level. And when you're a member of Guitar Freedom 360, you also get me as your guide. I'm there for you 24/7 via email. I'm your teacher. When you're inside Guitar Freedom 360, you also get me in the mix. And it's my pleasure. I love seeing people progress, and you can see on the page, you can see people from all around the world of all ages and all levels, the results that they're getting with Guitar Freedom 360. It's just a lot of fun. It's a wild guitar adventure, and it's all done creatively and musically. You know me, no boring technical drills. Okay, it's all done by having fun with the music. So I'm giving you 60% off for this Valentine's. Okay, so click the link in the description. Come join Guitar Freedom 360 and just revolutionize your guitar playing. Okay, transform your entire experience with this beautiful instrument. So I'll see you inside. I'll also see you the next lesson. If you have any questions, just write them below here or email me to me@licknriff.com or licknriff@gmail.com. Doesn't matter. They reach the same inbox, and I do my best to answer everybody. Okay, everybody as fast as I can, as soon as possible. My name is as soon as feasible. Asaf, ASAF, right? So that's how fast I reply, as soon as feasible. All right, so I'll see you inside Guitar Freedom. What are you still doing here? Go over there, and you can be inside in less than 5 minutes and just enjoy all that guitar goodness. All right, so I love you, and I will see you the next lesson. Have a great Valentine's Day, everybody.